Alright, mile 1, Dalton Highway. The southbound's pulling out. But, pretty good road. It was tricky in a lot of spots. A lot trickier than I've encountered in the past. And you can see how muddy she is. Like even on the mirrors. This is just bonkers. But what I'm truly laughing at is I have not cleaned the taillights yet. You can't even see the tail lamps. I don't even think you'd be able to see the brake light. There's just layer upon layer of mud. But yeah, this is what a truck looks like after doing the entire road, especially during this season where we had some pretty good snow and mud, ice on Adigan. The shelf was just muck. I mean, it was goop. So thick, it was like, when I recorded up there, you couldn't even see the tread on the tires. It was caked on so hard. You can even see the running boards. That's still a goop from the shelf. Basically, from the base of Adigan to the base of Heart Attack was just terrible. So, there you go. Fun updates here at mile 1, Dalton Highway. We're going to head south. Talk to you in a bit.